Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss a new question, from a new chapter, that is current electricity. So here the setup is given here, and they are saying that a battery of 3 volt is connected to the circuit, and the value of current is L, and resistance of each resistor is 1 ohm. Every resistor is of value 1 ohm, and L equal to A by 5. The value of current is A by 5 amperes. We need to find out the value of A. This is the question over here. So we can solve this by very easy method. This is quite easy question, but the circuit is complicated. What we should do is, first we should not go from this side. From this side we will start. Here 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and they are connected in parallel. Okay, how to identify the parallel? The potential difference across each resistor is same. See, here, they are connected to a same potential. This point and this point. These two resistors. Similarly, these two resistors here and here. So 1 by R equivalent, we know the formula equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. Here 1 by R equivalent equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1, that is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1. So R equivalent comes out to be half ohms. So what I can do here is, instead of these two resistors, I can place one resistor of value 1 by 2 ohms. Similarly, here also I can remove these two resistors and place a resistor of value of half ohm. Similarly, here I can place a resistor of value 1 by 2 ohms, and similarly here. The circuit is getting simplified slowly. Here it is half ohms. Now you should see here 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm, 1 ohm and half ohm. Here every resistor, these two resistors are in series connection, and we know that in series, when two resistors are connected in series, R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, we know that. So 3 by 2. Similarly यहाँ पर भी 3 by 2 ohms हो जाएगा. 3 by 2 ohms, ये हटाओ, ये भी हो जाएगा 3 by 2 ohms, ये भी हो जाएगा 3 by 2. Okay, now we have each resistor of value 3 by 2 ohms, 3 by 2 ohms, 3 by 2 ohms and 3 by 2 ohms. Now here we can see 3 by 2 ohms are in series connection. So 1 divided by R equivalent, parallel connection. So it will be equal to 1 divided by 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 by 2. We can directly write 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, that is equal to 3, 4. So R equivalent, what is the value of R equivalent is 3 by 4. So I can remove these two resistors over here. I think I need to use vector. So I need to remove these two resistors and place one resistor of value 3 by 4 ohms. 3 by 4 ohms. This is 1 ohm resistor plus 3 by 4 ohms. This is in series connection. We know that in series connection, R equivalent equal to R1 plus R2, that is 3 by 4. 4 plus 3, 7 by 4. In place of these two resistors, I can place one single resistor of resistance 7 by 4. Similarly over here, one single resistor of value 7 by 4. Okay, 7 by 4. Now 7 by 4 resistors are in parallel connection. So what I can do? 1 divided by R equivalent equal to 1 divided by 7 by 4 की जगह मैं लिख दूंगा डायरेक्ट 4 by 7 plus 4 by 7, 7, 4 plus 4, 8. Then R equivalent का value 7 by 8 ohms. So I can remove these two resistors and I can easily place a single resistance, so resistor of resistance 7 by 8 ohms and this is 1 ohms, and these two are in series connection, then R equivalent of these both will be 1 plus 7 by 8, that will be equal to 15 by 8 ohms. दोनों हटा के एक रजिस्टर हम लगा देंगे जिसका वैल्यू कितना है 15 by 8 ohms. अब बहुत ही सिंपल, हमें I फाइंड करना था, V इक्वल टू आई आर लगा देंगे, V का वैल्यू 3 है, I का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, R का वैल्यू कितना है 15 by 8 आया, सो I कितना हो जाएगा 3 into 8 डिवाइडेड बाय 15, 3 1 जा 3 5 जा 8 by 5. I का वैल्यू इस करंट पासिंग इन सर्किट इज 8 by 5. उन्होंने दिया है कि करंट L है, मतलब I का वैल्यू है. You replace the numerical symbol. 8 by 5 equal to A by 5. A equal to 8. This was our answer. A का वैल्यू फाइंड करना था, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन इसमें डायरेक्ट न्यूमेरिकल टाइप में है, जो हम जिसके ऑप्शंस नहीं रहते, डायरेक्ट आंसर करने का रहेगा. बहुत सारे लोग इसका वैल्यू 8 by 5 लिख देते हैं, whereas they have asked the value of A, so the value of A is 8. So if there are any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. So thank you for watching, and we will make more videos with resistor chapters. Okay, thank you.